friends, welcome to VK's Home Decor channel. If you want to create a beautiful home, this video will be very helpful. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe the channel.
If you want to create a beautiful home interior design or renovate your home with the modern trends, then VK's Home Decor channel videos will be very helpful to find the right interior design to your home. The modern home is absolutely incomplete without the latest interior design. Sofa is the essential part of your living room. Your living room is the primary spot. The living room design is not complete without the sofa set design. Choosing the right and suitable sofa design will make your room elegant and stylish. Sofa is not only for the interior purpose. It's also for your relaxed sit and spending time with your family members, chit-chat, watching TV. Most of the people spending more time in the living room. So the sofa set must be comfortable, smooth and the material should come to long last. So choosing the material is very important rather than the colors, designs and shades. First impression is the best impression. So living room, drawing room or entryway, choose the best sofa set design for your styles and needs. Usually people concentrate about the colors and shades. But it's very important before buy choose the best material and durability. It don't bother about the wooden sofa set is out of fashion or not. You can definitely go with the wooden material with the modern trend. You can easily design the I shape or U shape, sectional, L shape or sofa come with bed design with a wooden material. The high quality wooden material sofa will come to lifelong. There you can add the foam, leather, fiber and linen. That will partially hidden the wooden. So it's provide the modern sofa set look. Teak, mahogany, oak, maple is the best wood for the sofa set design. Now wooden sofa set is very famous and people choose main reason for the durability. Walnut and brown color is the best wooden color. You can choose the light walnut or dark walnut colors or pine, cherry, pampo. It's everything depends upon your taste and styles. Measure your living room width and height, number of seats, that means how many people can sit together at the time. Depends upon your room square feet, you can make the 3-seater or 4-seater sofa set. The wooden sofa is provide the durability, reliability and rich look. Compare with other sofa, wooden material cost is high, but it's provide more benefit to your home. Whatever your need, shades, curves, you can easily design the wooden material with your carpenter or interior designers. If your room is neutral color, then choose the dark sofa color or dark combined with light sofa color. If your room is dark color, then go with the light color shades. Adding the stylish cushions will make your sofa set into the next level. Choosing the right carpet, coffee table, sofa set, TV unit, lightings and wall colors will make your living room an elegant touch.